Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your role. Only the organizer or an IT admin can set co-organizers. Once confirmed, open Teams on desktop or web and go straight to Calendar. Select the scheduled meeting and open meeting options. This is where permissions live. Make sure attendees are already invited if you plan to promote them. Once done, look for the co-organizer or presenter settings. Those controls are your tools to change who runs the meeting and what controls they receive. Now assign the role you need. If you want someone to act as host with broad controls, use meeting options to make them a co-organizer before the meeting starts. Co-organizer gets lobby, mute, and recording controls. If already in a live meeting, open participants, find the person, click more actions, and make a presenter for immediate control of screen share and muting. Use co-organizer for full host-like powers and presenter for a lighter transfer. Choose depending on how much control you must share. To finish, verify the new host can share content, admit people from the lobby, and start recording. Have them test these actions while you observe. Remember, you cannot change the original meeting organizer. Use co-organizer to replicate host capabilities. If the required options aren't visible, make sure both of you use the latest Teams desktop or web app and check tenant meeting policy with IT. Sometimes the setting is disabled centrally. If problems persist, reassign presenter rights during the meeting as a fallback.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.